In this video, I'll show you how to connect your printer to an iPhone so you can start printing in just a few minutes. Before you begin, make sure your printer is turned on and ready to accept new connections. Your printer must already be connected to the same Wi-Fi network that your iPhone will use. Now confirm that your iPhone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as the printer. Next, open the document, photo, or web page that you want to print from your iPhone. Tap the Share button to open the iPhone sharing menu. Scroll down if needed, then tap Print from the Share menu. The Print Options screen opens, where you'll choose the printer for this document. Tap Printer to search for nearby AirPrint compatible printers. Your iPhone will now search for nearby printers connected to the same Wi-Fi network. When your printer appears in the list, tap it to select it. After you select the printer, it appears at the top of the Print Options screen. If your printer appears and is selected, you're ready to print your document. Tap Print, and your iPhone sends the document to the printer. Your printer should begin printing within a few seconds. If your printer doesn't appear in the list, don't worry. Some printers need the manufacturer's app instead of AirPrint. Open the App Store, download your printer manufacturer's official app, and follow the in-app setup instructions. Whether you connect through AirPrint or your printer's official app, your iPhone is now ready to print. Your printer is now connected to your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more setup and troubleshooting guides.